Hi friends, now we have Acer Aspire 3 laptop. In the laptop, I will show you how to install Windows 10 with USB bootable. For this, we need one pen drive and then insert it. Then switch on the laptop. Keep press the F12 button for the BIOS and then select your pen drive as Windows 10 bootable device. Select enter. Now Windows 10 installation has been started. Wait for few seconds. Yes, now Windows 10 installation has been started. That's it. Thank you.